Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to create a new TikTok account. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store, alright, and you have to search for TikTok application. So search for TikTok. Okay, now what you can do is you can simply install. So there is already there is also another version of TikTok, which is TikTok Lite. You can install that too. So I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to wait until the download process is done. So it will take not much time if your internet speed is good enough. Okay, so it's being installed, so you have to be patient for a little bit. So you can also if you want to create a TikTok account using your desktop, there is another process. You can just use Google Chrome or any kind of browser, but for mobile device what you can do is you can simply just download the TikTok application. Okay, now you can see it's installed. Now open up TikTok. So for the first time it will take some time. Now here you can see it's you have to agree and continue, and you have to choose your interests. You can choose the interest, all of your interests according to your needs. After selecting all these things, you have to just go to next step, tap on next. Now you can simply start watching. Okay, and here you can see you can simply start watching your TikTok account, TikTok videos. Okay, and if you go to your profile, you can adjust all the things, all the necessary things. So if I go to profile, now you can see it's telling me to sign up. So you can just continue with Google, Facebook, or either you can also do this with your phone number or your email. Alright, so now let me show you. I'm just going to going to register on TikTok with my Google account. Now you can see if I go to my profile, here it is. This is a completely new profile. You can upload your profile picture, you can adjust all the other things on your profile. So yep, that's how you can create a new TikTok account on your mobile device. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.